Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup powder at home. First, gather your favorite fresh vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions. Ensure they are clean and completely dry. Next, chop all your chosen vegetables into small, uniform pieces, ideally about 1/8 of an inch thick. For denser vegetables like carrots, a quick blanch in boiling water for 2 minutes can help them dry more evenly. This careful preparation is key to a high-quality powder. Now, let's get those vegetables perfectly dry. Arrange your chopped vegetables in a single layer on your dehydrator trays, ensuring no pieces overlap. Set your dehydrator to a consistent temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow them to dry for approximately 6 to 12 hours, or until they are completely brittle and snap easily. If you don't have a dehydrator, your oven's lowest setting with the door slightly ajar works well too. With your vegetables perfectly dry, it's time to transform them into powder. Carefully transfer the brittle pieces into a high-speed blender or a clean coffee grinder. Process them until you achieve a very fine, consistent powder, free of any large chunks. For every cup of vegetable powder, mix in about 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. You can also enhance the flavor with dried herbs like parsley or thyme. Finally, let's talk about storing your wonderful homemade soup powder. Transfer the finished powder into an airtight container, such as a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Store it in a cool, dark, and dry place like your pantry, away from direct sunlight or humidity. When stored correctly, your vegetable soup powder will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 6 months. To use, simply whisk 2 tablespoons into 1 cup of hot water for a quick, delicious broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.